Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about numbers in detail. Number objects. The number objects are created when you assign a numerical value to a variable. As of now, Python supports 4 different number types: integer, float, complex, and long. We will see an example for each of this number type to have a better understanding. In this example, what we are trying to achieve is we are assigning an integer value 5 to a variable called I. In this example, what we are trying to achieve is we are assigning a float or a decimal value to a variable called f. In this example, what we are trying to achieve is we are assigning a complex value called 3 plus 2j to a variable called c. And finally, long. In this example, we are assigning a long value to a variable L. If you notice, the long values are suffixed with the character L. It can be either uppercase or lowercase. It doesn't matter. It is to differentiate between integer and the long. The important thing to notice here is the concept called long exists only in the Python version 2. If you are using a Python version 3 or greater than 3, there is no such concept called long. In Python version 3, both integer and the long are treated as long, but they are named as integer. I know it's pretty confusing, so I'll repeat it one more time. Both the integer and the long are treated as long, but they are named as integer in the Python version 3. In my previous video, I have mentioned we no need to declare the variable type like other programming languages. It's because Python is so brilliant, it can determine the variable type dynamically. So we no need to declare the variable type. So we will check the type of the variables I, F, and C and try to find out whether it is true or not. We use the function called type to check the variable's data type. So when I check the type of an I, Python should tell that the variable I is nothing but an integer. Let's see. Yes, it was correctly. So when we check the type of the variable C, Python should tell the variable C is a complex number. And yes, it does. So we come to the conclusion that Python determines the variable type dynamically and we no need to declare the variable types. Hope this video helped you guys understand the concept of numbers in Python. See you guys in the next video.